All right, so let's start with the big story that we're tracking on WION at this hour, where nearly about 3 months after the novel coronavirus outbreak, China has faced pretty much the worst, with cities under lockdown and over 2,700 people having been killed due to the novel coronavirus infections and over 80,000 people having been infected globally. But China has now begun to lower its emergency response level as the number of new cases that are being reported continues to decline over the last week. This when the rest of the world is actually reeling under the outbreak. Now, many countries are reporting their very first cases of the novel coronavirus that shows no signs of abating in terms of the infections that are being caused around the world. Now, Brazil, Georgia, Norway and other countries in the Balkans such as North Macedonia have now reported their very first cases of the novel coronavirus infections. France has reported its second death amidst this deadly outbreak. A 60-year-old man from the northerly Hauts-de-France region was admitted earlier in the week for the novel coronavirus, but has reportedly succumbed to the viral infection. Now, another man from the same region has also been admitted to the hospital and is presently said to be on life support. France is on high alert after neighbouring Italy has now become a new front in the global fight to try and contain the novel coronavirus outbreak. Now, the US Health Secretary has confirmed that the infected cases have surged to over 60 cases now, but US President Donald Trump has said that the risk to the American people from the novel coronavirus infection is going to be very low thanks to the actions that have been taken by his government.
But we're very, very ready for this, for anything, whether it's going to be a breakout of larger proportions or whether or not we're at that very low level, and we want to keep it that way. So we're at the low level. As they get better, we take them off the list so that we're going to be pretty soon at only 5 people, and we could be at just 1 or 2 people over the next short period of time. So we've had very good luck.
Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia has suspended visas for pilgrims who intend to visit Mecca due to the coronavirus fears. Now, earlier, the infected cases outside of mainland China were able to be linked directly to Wuhan or to the other predominantly virus-hit cities within the province of Hubei. But now many countries are reporting cases that can no longer be traced to the virus' original source in China.